Phone habits to be avoided. What are the phone habits we need to avoid so that we become more productive? I am KC Parmeshwaran, Mrs. Shiva Model, productivity coach and an NLP expert. Number one, setting alarm on the phone. So we should never set our alarms on the phone. We should purchase a small alarm clock which is costing some 50 to 100 rupees, which will help you to set an alarm and keep it far away from your bed so that you wake up physically and go and switch off the alarm. So you will not stay back on your bed. Number two, snoozing the alarm. So if you set the phone as an alarm, then what happens is you will snooze that because it is kept near to you. So don't snooze the alarm. If you avoid using phone, then it will not happen, right? Number three, going back to sleep. Once you snooze, what will happen is you will go back to sleep. Once you go back to sleep, what happens is it takes 1 hour to 90 minutes of sleep cycle again. So your mind goes into 1 hour to 90 minutes of sleep cycle if you snooze and sleep. So we should be very careful. We should not snooze and go back to sleep. As soon as you wake up, number four, what happens? Checking your phone. Checking your phone for Facebook likes, your WhatsApp messages, and Instagram. So this is another habit which we need to stop. Checking our phones early in the morning. Spending more time with the phone in the washrooms. People carry phones to the washroom and spend more time there. They watch Instagram, reels, they listen to music, and they spend more time. So again, you waste time in the washrooms. Number six, not putting the notification off. If you don't put your notification off, what happens is you have more than 100 apps installed in your phone, and as a notification comes, you get distracted from your work and you will go and see the phone. Once you see the phone and come back, it takes around about 17 to 20 minutes to get back to concentration of your work, what you're doing. So it's always better to keep the notification off. Number seven, checking the mail in the morning. If you are officially not required to check the mail, please do not use the mobile to check the mail. Once you check the mail, what happens is you will go into a blog, you will find something shiny object, you will click that, go into a blog. From the blog, they will take you to another blog. From there, you will go to a website and it will carry on, and you will waste half an hour to 45 minutes to 1 hour watching the mail. So please don't check your mails in the morning. Checking FB and WhatsApp frequently. When you're doing your job, checking Facebook, WhatsApp and other social media while at work. You just go and check the WhatsApp for any messages or the Facebook for any likes. That should not be done. So distractions happens when you think of that, because your mind gets wandered when you go and check your WhatsApp and Facebook. Watching Insta Reels and TikTok for more time. So when you have a break, you go for a break in between your tasks, you will start watching the Insta and TikTok. What will happen is it will take away your more time and your break time will be over. Still, you will be continuing with the Insta. So please do not do that. Next is sleeping with the phone. What happens is when you keep the phone nearby you and you sleep, you watch the phone at least for 2 to 2.5 to 3 hours, and then you go to sleep. Your sleep cycle is disturbed, your eyes are getting strained, and you will not get a proper sleep. So that is going to affect your health by not having proper sleep. So these are the important habits which is required to be avoided to be more productive. Please try to overcome these habits so that you become more productive. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.